dancing tonight, Sue. Good night.
Nighty-night.
What? Shiver me, Cheddars. What are you doing here?
This bed is so cozy.
And I love your armchair, Sammy. You don't mind, do you?
Guys, look. He's got music, too. And I was just about to have a rest. Oh, poor me.
Sammy, where are you going?
To draw a layout for your own dwelling. I can't take this anymore. There. I finally finished it, Sue. All we need to do now is to build it.
Whoa! Awesome, Sammy! Did you master a new magic trick?
Not exactly. See? There are clearly a few parts missing.
Right, but where could they be? Ah, thank you!
You're welcome.
It's nice to have more helpers. Now where's the rest?
Alrighty. If I were a missing piece of a house, where would I be? Aha! That's a clue. I hope it's not a secret government of lizard slimes trying to steal our craft or something. Huh? Holy cannoli! Do you see that too, guys? They're dancing. It's so sad, but so beautiful.
Your dance was amazing, guys, but we need this part for the house. There we go! And we're done with the base!
These are for you.
Make way! Make way for the biggest fan! Please teach me how to dance like that. Pretty please. Okay. Do you know a pirouette? A pirouette? So how am I doing? I'm trying to move smoothly like you told me. Very well. Now repeat after me. Yay! Uh-huh. I see. Let me just do this. That's harder than I thought.
Wow! Sammy, this looks like just what we need.
I guess if you want to become a pro, you have to be prepared to take a few bumps.
Just don't overdo it. So, what do we have here? Oh, wow. Hello there.
What? There were 2 of them this whole time?
Yeah, looks like you have 2 dance teachers now. There's something else too. What a cozy little bed.
And this is for you! For teaching me how to dance so well. Oh no, don't cry. Code red. Sue, I repeat, code red.
Hang in there. You're in good hands. I promise.
Life doesn't teach her anything. Huh?
Sammy, if you keep eating sweets, the pimples will just keep coming.
Nonsense. I'm slime. I'm like 99% sweets. Where's my cocoa?
Your cocoa goes great with our craft. Look at that! And now we'll add a handle to the mug.
Sue, look! I can see everything. Not anymore.
Oh, Sammy.
Move over. Barista Sam is here to make the coolest latte art in the world. Ta-da! Wow, you did great. But I want to help too.
Thank you so much. Here we go. And a little soft rug.
Ah, perfect bedroom for a perfect beauty sleep. Huh? What's that sound? Gotta check what it is. Hey, what are you doing here, buddy? Building your own little house? It looks nice. Oops, I'm so sorry.
Oh, no.
Hey, come back! We're already building you a room, too. Let's see what we've got here to do that. A yellow bed? Not bad.
Oh, and who's the guy?
He is so cute. He looks just like you.
Tung Tung.
What's going on here? I don't get it.
Ha! I figured it out, Sue. They're going to compete for the title of the better tongue. Oh no! Buddy, can you hear
Guys, you are all such good actors.
Thanks, Sue. Oh, hey, wait up. I've been meaning to tell you, tongue, tongue, tongue.
These are the most wonderful words that anyone has ever said to me. Oh, what a beautiful couple. I have something for you guys. This is something to remember these good times.
Sammy, this is so sweet of you. Great, the second floor is ready. Which room should we do next? Sammy?
I'm thinking, this is so hard. Oh, what are we gonna... Hey, Sue, I think I found something.
Interesting. Let's have a look, shall we?
Oh, come on, come on! I'm dying to see what's inside. Go, Susie!
Wowza, that has to be something cool. Well, of course, it's a bathtub.
So it means that we are going to deal with the bathroom next? Sounds like a plan.
Ooh, I could use a bath right now, but something is missing.
I think I know what you're talking about.
And I managed to do this.
Wow, Sammy, did I inspire you? I like the way you're thinking, pal.
This really is a nice touch, Sammy. Let's see how it all will look here.
Looks perfectly good to me.
Woohoo! It's even better. It's the best bathroom ever.
I'm glad you liked it. Ooh, I'm starving. Gonna go grab something. Hello? It's lunchtime. Can anybody hear me? The slime is hungry.
Sorry, Sammy, but you'll have to wait. The kitchen's not ready yet.
How much longer do I have to wait? I'm starving, really? Huh? It's your cue, Sue.
Oh, great! Let's get to work. We'll be setting up the kitchen. Oh!
Hello? Are you here to help us with the house? Huh? What is this? A puzzle? This thing looks quite strange to me. Good luck fixing it, Sue.
Oh, come on! I can do it in no time.
Wait, he still needs a stylish hairdo?
Like this one?
You're reading my mind!
And we shouldn't forget about his eyebrows and eyelashes, too. That's much better.
I'm so hungry. Is there anything else inside? Arg! There's gotta be at least something. A candy or a box? Oh, my feta, why would I need a box?
It's not a box. It's a fridge, Sammy. But how are we supposed to open it if it doesn't have a handle?
Here's its handle, Susie.
Oh, thanks.
And I really like that the fridge looks like me.
Oh, it turned out so cute. Okay, now the fridge is ready to use. And here's some more kitchen furniture. All right, it already looks great, but it's still missing a few things.
Come on, there has to be some food here. I guess I'm gonna have to stay hungry forever.
Be patient. In order to be able to eat, we also need a table and a few chairs.
Shiver me, Chatters, I can't hold it any longer.
Whoa, what is happening?
Hold on tight, everybody. Phew. Finally, it's all over.
Sue, look. This thing fell down from all that rumbling.
Well, this is just what we need.
That cake looks yummy.
No, my cake! Come to me, my precious. That was the best cake I've ever had in my entire life. I wish I could watch a movie now. Ouch! What on earth was that? Hey, what's happening?
A little good old banana peel prank.
Hey, stop throwing things around. Hey! Oh, so you just wanted to help us with the crafting? Let's see what we have here. What is this? Looks kind of strange, right?
A puzzle, huh? Maybe it's a picture? Or a toy?
What? No way! Think harder.
Okay, I give up.
It's an armchair.
What? Are you serious? Let me see.
Beware and behold.
Wow! I really like how this armchair looks.
Just promise, No more banana peels in the house.
Huh? Okay.
And last but not least, the TV goes right here.
Wow, you guys, this house is so cute.
Oh yeah, me like it.
I like our new little house too. Let's take a closer look at it together.
Oh, I can't decide what I like more. The kitchen or the cake.
Did you hear that, Sue? Looks like we did great.
And that's it for today, friends. Like and subscribe for more fun craft videos.